Hello everybody, in today's video I want to talk about Sologenic and Coreum projects, and before I start I want to say thank you guys for watching me, for all your likes and comments. It is almost 550 people subscribed to my channel, so thank you guys for all your support. And moving to Sologenic topic, I want to share some updates on their Solo Dex, and first one is fiat currencies added, and now we could buy crypto in Solo Dex using the different currencies, and here is the list of them. It's like many different crypto fiat currency we could use to purchase crypto, and for now it is XRP only. Then you could change it and buy other currencies here, but for now it is only XRP, and it also says that Solo is coming soon. Here it's very good. And another news and topic here is Solo card, which is now officially announced, and now it's like the first batch of 5,000 Solo cards will be soon available through a waiting list, and I actually joined it already. It's very easy to do. Let me show you, like, as a questionnaire here. It's like maybe like 3-4 minutes to finalize. You need to put your name here. You need to provide the email address to confirm your application. It is also to put your country of residence. I don't know the list of the countries. I hope it will be not only US and Canada, also European countries should be, like, in my opinion, added, because like Binance, for example, they have like mostly Europe countries. Crypto.com, they have like US for those credit cards for them. So I don't know for Solar, no information, but we will see. And it's like one more thing to add your Solar wallet here and put the amount of Solo you hold. And I think they provide some opportunity for people who hold more Solo in their wallet. So for me it's like 1,300 Solo in my wallet, and we will see. So that's all you need to put in this like whitelist, and that's it. Then you will receive this message saying you're officially on the whitelist for Solo cards. So I will update you once I have some use for me. And it is also the bridge between XRP Ledger and Binance Smart Chain, which is very cool. And I think that more and more people will join Solar and Sologenic and Coreum projects with this bridge, because it's like engaging the people to participate in some coins. It's hard, like, once you do not have these bridges between different chains. For example, with Kronos, I love this, but it's hard to swap the coins between other chains, so it's making life like not that easy that I want. So, and for Sologenics, it is now ranking 251st place, which is really cool, and I think that it's becoming more and more like popular between the people. It is in 3 million watch lists of people, which is cool, you know. And as well as for Coreum, it is recently added to an exchange, Max exchange, which is really cool. And some are the exchanges also supporting the airdrop for Coreum, not only Bitter exchange, but this one supports. So I received my Coreum here in Bitter exchange. It is also some other exchanges added, which is cool. And what is also great for Coreum now, they really like expanding their team. And if you check like their career center or their Twitter account, you could see that more and more people join their team, and they're great like developers here. So those are like senior Galang developer, and here is also one more developer. and they put more and more updates about the team. They're um, maximizing, so I think it's good, and then we will see the great product. They also, as I see, put more effort in marketing. They participated in the event for Miami conference, and they was part of it. They also, I think, that started to work with some influencers, and I see some like retweets for some like people who has the great audience. So I think it's also cool and great to see this. So I hope the projects will be valued sometime soon, and they're doing really great job. So it is all I wanted to share with you guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.